Hey guys, welcome back! I know it's been a long time, but since it's the quarantine season, I think sharing the things that you do at home, especially yung mga home-cooked meals that, my God, I don't know what to say! Pero, yun lang, I just want to tell you that I will share something with you that is home-friendly to cook, and you've tasted it all. It's the Jollibee Tuna Pie home version. So let's get started. For the filling, we need 1 can of plain tuna, 1 small sachet of plain mayonnaise, or 2 tablespoons if you have the char, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of onion finely chopped, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. For the breading, we need 1 beaten egg, 2 packs of Skyflakes crushed, or if you have breadcrumbs, that's also good, and finally, loaf bread. Cut the edges and flatten them. You can use a tumbler if you don't have a rolling pin like I did. And we're ready! First step is to mix all of the filling ingredients together. Then set up your first bread and put just the right amount of filling in the middle. Add the shredded cheese on top. Then put the egg around the corners of the bread. This is to seal the corners together. Fold the bread evenly in half. Then seal the bread by pressing a fork on every open corner. This also serves as a design on our tuna pie. You then have to soak each bread in the egg mixture. Then roll the bread into the crumbs and make sure to cover every part of the bread. Lastly, fry them into medium heat until golden. And there you have it, your very own tuna pie.
Best in fairness,
So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked this video. And yeah, try it out. Masarap siya. And guys, if ever you have relatives or you know anyone, or if your mom or your dad is a frontliner, I think this is one good way to treat them. Like pag uwi nila, meron kayong hinanda. It's homemade. It's made by you. So, and stay at home. Wash your hands. Be safe. Bye!